Okay, honestly, I don't know how much more that I can take. I feel like every time I move, my sanity's about to break. For those of you who've never played, I don't suggest this game to you if you don't want to see a therapist until you're 92, because I'm twitching and shaking and sweating off my ass. Now I'm super paranoid. What was that? The cat. Wait a sec, up ahead, is that another note? Yes, yes, thank God, now I think I'm getting close. Damn it, that was just my first, now it's time to find the next. Tonight I'm gonna check inside my closet before I go to bed. Not cause I'm scared, just to be sure my clothes are there. Yeah, not for Slender Man, I don't even care. Now the music's picking up and my light is getting dim, and I hear the static plus the screen is fuzzy. Ah, that's him! And somehow, I don't know, I just lost all control. My bowel movement had a mind of its own. Thanks to you, Slender Man, I need to change my pants. Well, what the hell happened in here? I swear I don't know. I admit that was a fluke, but that will not be the end. I will kill you if you park a Buick on the floor again. So I shut my door, lights off, volume full blast, and I think I'll be prepared with this cork inside my ass. Slendy, Slendy, where are you now? I'm just minding my own business, you don't have to sneak around. Oh my god, there's a fence. Oh my god, another fence. Okay, a truck, a tunnel, a rock, another fence. Dude, I'm just a little kid. Slender Man, why you creeping? Where's Chris Hansen from Dateline when you frickin' need him? I'm not scared anymore, Slender isn't even real. I'll go on my merry way. Oh Jesus, take the wheel! I thought this cork would work, but somehow things got worse. Think I puked up twice as much, it come out my rear. Slender Man, what the hell? Can't get rid of the smell. Skull, what's going on? Do not come in here! Now I'm trapped in my room, puking dookies on the floor. Somehow I still have the notes and I only need one more. Holy farts, this is intense, he's teleporting everywhere. Change direction and he's there. Oh no, not the pool house. God, why the pool house? Haven't been inside it yet and there is no way out. But I need the note, I need to win, I'm so close. Oh my god, he's right behind me, time to book it, here it goes. Juke left, juke right, and the music's getting louder and the screen is getting fuzzy and my light is losing power. Hope he's not around the corner, cause my life depends on this empty chair over there. Where's the note? There it is! FML should have known that this game was a troll. It don't matter what you do because he will find you. Thanks a lot, this game sucks. Now I just need a hug from someone with a face